Hi there, in this video we're going to go through and show you how to schedule and set invites to be recurring, and you can also do this sending out to multiple clients at the same time. So one thing that you'll want to have set up before jumping into this is a template that you can use. So if you haven't already gone in and set up a template, you'll want to do that so you can have all your requests, reminder options and cloud settings pulled across when creating the scheduled or recurring invite there. There we have help guides on that as well that can run you through the process. So to get started, we'll just want to hit invites, and under there we'll see the bulk send option. This is where we'll be able to send in bulk, send recurring invites, or schedule ones to be sent in future. So the first step is just putting in a title of what we want to call this bulk scheduled or recurring invite, so we can refer to it later easily. So we might say August personal statement and income details. And then what we can do is just pull in our template to get all of the documents, information, things that we need to request, and all the reminder options as discussed before. So we're going to pull in the income documents template, and we can see here our subject and messages come in. If we want to adjust these, we can just hit the pencil icon here, and go ahead and just adjust these as necessary. You'll see below that we can also choose how long after sending the invite out we'd like it to be due. So we can put in here 14 days, 7 days, whatever works for you and your clients, and we'll leave that at 7 there. Now, when should this invite be sent? We can either send the invite out right now, or we can send it later, and we can choose a date here of when we'd like it to be sent. So just to note, if I were to select the 13th of November as my send date, then what will happen is 7 days after the send date is when it's going to be due. So all of the notifications and things like that will be based off of that due date of the 20th of November. So just select the right date there of when you want that to go through. And all the reminders, of course, will come through from the template. Now down here, we can also choose how often we would like this invite to be sent. So if we have a situation where we might need to collect documents every month, quarter, year, things like end of tax season returns, monthly statements, whatever the case may be, we can schedule these to be recurring to happen every so often. Now, one thing that we can do, if we need something to be collected every day of the week, is just creating a scheduled recurring bulk invite for each day of the week, and then just setting this to go out weekly. So we could have one for Monday and schedule it out to go on the Monday. And then we would create another bulk scheduled recurring invite and have that go out on a Tuesday, and just adjust this to be weekly. Now we're not going to worry about that. We'll just jump through and go, how often should this invite be sent? And we're going to send this one out every 3 months. So we want it to send out quarterly. Now, if you do want it to just send out once, then you can of course just hit that once there. Now what we can do is we can choose the contacts we want to send to. So each contact that we select is going to receive their own invite, and using that they can then go through and fill it in and do it all that needs to be done. So we're going to select Bob and Harold, and if we need to find anybody else, we can just search in and type their name, and it's going to list them there and we can select them. If you've got a lot of contacts as well, you can scroll through here. Now once we're happy and we've selected all our contacts, we can then hit schedule here, and that's going to schedule this to be sent out. We'll see we've successfully scheduled 2 invites to be sent out on the date we've selected. If we go down the list here, we can go and review that by clicking the review button. We'll have more details on the review and edit side of things in our other help section guide. If there's any questions, reach out to us down here in the chat bubble and we'll be able to help.